Hi guys, this is Sogan. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I wanna teach you the pattern of a both charming and easy crochet Irish flower for beginners. So let's start together. To work this pattern, start with a slip knot, then chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Insert your hook into the first chain, then make a slip stitch. Chain 1. Make 15 single crochets in this circle. Hide your tail end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then make a slip stitch in first single crochet. Chain 15, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Then make a slip stitch in same stitch. Turn your work. Make 25 single crochets in this bottle. This is my 1, 2, 3. I crochet 25 single crochets in my first petal. Make a slip stitch in same stitch. Then make 5 slip stitches in next 5 stitches. 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 chains for crocheting my next petal. Insert your hook into the same stitch, then make a slip stitch. Turn your work, then make 25 single crochets in my second petal. I crocheted my second petal, then make a slip stitch. Turn your work, make 5 slip stitches in next 5 stitches. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then crochet your third petal. Repeat once more. I crocheted my third petal, turn your work, then make 5 slip stitches in next 5 stitches. 3, 4, 5. Then continue to crochet the petals. Make a single crochet, make 2 half double crochets in next 2 stitches, make 3 double crochets in next 3 stitches. This is my 1, 2, and the last time. Chain 1, then make a double crochet 13 times. Chain 1, then make a double crochet 2 times, chain 1, then make a double crochet 3 times, 4 times, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and the last time. Chain 1, then make 3 double crochets in next 3 stitches. This is my 1, 2, and 3. Make 2 half double crochets in next 2 stitches, then make a single crochet, make 4 slip stitches in next 4 stitches. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4. Then repeat your previous pattern for this one. I crocheted 3 petals, make 4 slip stitches in next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then make a slip stitch in first single crochet, Then make a reverse single crochet for border of flower. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Insert your hook into the previous stitch and pull up loop. You'll have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Repeat in all stitches. It is so beautiful and you can afford it with yourself. I appreciate your consideration and look forward to hearing from you. Thank you for your time. I upload new videos every week. If you like my videos, please support me by commenting and subscribing. It's time to say goodbye.